Welcome back to Aviation This Week. Today's edition is brought to you by Longview Aviation, your aviation solutions provider. I'm Justin Bellmore, and this is your aviation news. Your top story: CAE and government partners unveiled plans to invest $1 billion over the next 5 years to innovate aviation training platforms. Then, Cascade will be providing Viking firefighter conversion and training for Longview Aviation of B.C. And the Sky Guys are granted a permit for DX3, a landmark development project. We'll have all your aviation news right after this quick message from our sponsor. CAE and government partners unveiled plans to invest $1 billion over the next 5 years to innovate aviation training platforms. This includes primary funding for CAE's new Project Digital Intelligence Initiative, described by the company as a digital transformation project to develop next-generation training solutions for aviation, defense, and security in healthcare. Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau and Quebec Premier Philippe Couillard joined CAE executives in Montreal last week to announce the investment plan, which includes partnership funding of $150 million from the Government of Canada and $50 million from the Government of Quebec over 5 years. The project is designed for CAE to continue to play a key role in making air travel safer, Defense Forces mission-ready, and helping medical personnel save lives. CAE explains other benefits will include reducing aviation's environmental footprint and addressing the worldwide demand for air crews. Project Digital Intelligence will also leverage cloud computing, cybersecurity, and virtual reality tools. In a statement, Trudeau said, quote, "Today's announcement is about creating high-skilled jobs in Canada today while making sure Canada's next generation of pilots, engineers, doctors, and nurses have access to some of the most advanced simulation tools and training programs in the world." The project is expected to create and maintain thousands of highly skilled jobs at CAE in Canada and in CAE's Canadian-based supply chain. CAE employs approximately 4,000 people in 18 locations across Canada and more than 5,000 in the rest of the world. Longview Aviation reached an agreement for Cascade Aerospace to provide modifications, training, and other resources to the Viking Enhanced Aerial Firefighter Conversion Program. The initial conversion and training at Abbotsford International Airport is scheduled to begin later this year. Cascade will then send support staff to provide on-site training at Longview's facilities in Calgary, Alberta, for all future conversions going forward. Longview is hiring up to 150 technical and support staff members at its Calgary facilities, where 11 CL-215 aircraft will be modified to CL-415 EAFs and use Viking-supplied conversion kits. Drone operator and developer The Sky Guys, with operations in Toronto and Vancouver, received a special flight operations certificate for its DX3 Vanguard. The new permit allows the company to perform testing on their DX3, putting the drone through evaluations for vertical takeoff and landing transition, system safety, and other human factors. The Sky Guys say initial flight testing is to be conducted at Toronto Markham Airport and will cover various line-of-sight simulations and will continue working on protocols closely with partners in industry, law enforcement, and defense. This is Annex Business Media's Niche TV. Thanks again to our sponsor, Longview Aviation, your aviation solutions provider. Make sure to tune in to our next episode on Friday, August 24th for the latest in aviation news. I'm Justin Bellmore. See you next time.